Hey, this is the Abyss News Channel. How you doing? My name's Andrew. Good evening to you all. I just wanted to make a quick video. Try to make it quick anyway. About uh, what I've called before radioactive economic collapse. John Williams, a economist from shadowstats.com, has forecast hyperinflation by within 1 year. So this is kind of a very dramatic accompaniment to the radiation that is circling the globe right now. Very, very dramatic and scary stuff, but I know it's gloomy, but we've got to make the best of it as we can and inform others. It's definitely scary, but it's also an exciting time to be alive and to be a participant in this great historical event, and that's the best I can paint it as, because you and I, we have to be able to marshal ourselves to help as many as we can, and that's something I guess we're perhaps obliged to do as as human beings on this planet. So that's a very empowering thought, I think, anyway. So we're going to spread the information, form associations as best we can to help and inform others about what is about to occur. So this is being accompanied, of course, by the banking takeover of our governments worldwide, the genetic modification of our food and biosphere being foisted upon us by Monsanto and companies of the like, giving us GMO food that will induce the cancers and diabetes that for which we'll have to fork out thousands, millions of dollars to receive treatments for. So that's very very sort of dark set of circumstances, but that's just what it is. It is what it is. It's what's facing our generation. So they say that the 40s generation is the greatest generation because they had to overcome World War II, the fascists in World War II, but again, it was a war for bankers on both sides. They were funding both sides. So this is just what our generation has on its plate, and it's up to us to overcome it. So there it is. So Unit 4 seems to be sinking. Don't know what's going to happen there. Just trying to get the word out that it needs to be addressed. A small environment group in the United States actually contacted me about the Fukushima disaster they saw on Fukushima Beach, and it's great. It's great that they saw it. Thank you for anyone who spread it out there on their YouTube channels. And so they wanted to perhaps make a petition to the United Nations. Now the United Nations is a very troubled institution, but at least a green group is taking notice of this calamity. So yeah, hopefully I can sort of convey something that's interesting for this group to inform other people, because for me, it's just my opinion, I think a lot of green groups have really dropped the ball on Fukushima and the radiation, especially in the ocean. There's and the radioactivity that's circling the northern hemisphere. It's pretty much gone way over their head. I don't want to sound too dismissive. I mean, green groups do a lot of great work, but yeah, it's just for what they stand for, they've completely missed the ball on this one. Yeah, just let me know what you think about that. But not enough by any means. Greenpeace, Friends of the Earth, haven't done any reporting or campaigns worthy of what the Fukushima disaster really is, and the peril that it presents to you and me every day, in an ongoing basis. So yeah, I've termed the phrase before: radioactive economic collapse, hyperinflation, radioactive food, radioactive water, genetically modified food, destruction of the financial system, any savings or paper money. We have superannuation, all of that destruction to occur in the next 12 months. And the radiation is the sort of the slow death that will overtake many if we don't get the word out and help encourage people to take preventive measures, and really force our governments to intervene in Fukushima. That's something that does require intervention. So sort of like a Icelandic model of the people forcing the government to be real and to jail bankers and address the real issues. So hope you're well out there. It's really coming to a real crescendo. I tend to think collapse of the financial system by the end of this year. Again, it's not the end of the world, but it is the end of the world as we know it. So that's a comforting thought. But it's not going to be dull, I can tell you. So this is Andrew Biss out. Take care, y'all, and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye bye.